I think I would say that the prospects for President for Honorable Raila to capture the seat are very, very high. He has campaigned very extensively on the African continent. President Ruto has given him all the support. He has gotten all the support and encouragement from the President of Kenya. I have played my role as Minister for Foreign Affairs as well. Our ambassadors have played their role, including the ambassador here, and we believe we have canvassed effectively to give victory to Raila Odinga. My appeal to the Kenyans is that it is a very anxious moment, but the voting will have to take place. It is by secret ballot. Let us hold our horses and put Raila into prayer so that he can attain the victory that we all so desire. Many Kenyans have come out of their own volition. I know some people were asking me about what is the size of the Kenyan delegation. But I want to say that the level of anxiety and patriotism is very high. The Kenyan delegation is the standard delegation, which is normally led by the president during a summit like this. But there are so many Kenyans who, out of their own pocket and their own commitment, have come into Addis Ababa to show in solidarity with our candidate, Raila Odinga, and to also show patriotism. There are some who are even coming by bus because we border Ethiopia. So they've chosen to hire their own buses and come to Addis Ababa. So that is something that we cannot wish away, and we thank them for all this support and for the enthusiasm they're showing in support of Kenya's candidate.